Kollegen Tremosa i Balcells das Wort geben.
Moltes gràcies, senyor president. Dear colleagues, Bankia will be nationalized this week by the Spanish central government, and 10 billion euros of public money will be used to bail out this bank. For many months, Spanish President Rajoy has repeatedly denied that this would happen in Spain and has refused to bail out some Catalan saving banks as Catalunya Caixa and Unim. But Madrid's Bankia will be saved with public money, despite its bad management and its enormous relation with the housing bubble that exploded in Spain. This is happening precisely in the same moment when regions are obliged to cut 10 billion euros in education and health. The Spanish government will cut transfers to regions to cut basic social services to save a bank that has failed. The European Commission should examine carefully this nationalization. No discrimination between citizens should be tolerated in EU countries. Vielen Dank, Herr Vorsitzender.
Vielen Dank, Herr Kollege Tremosa i Balcells. Es folgt nun Herr Kollege Kelly.
In a little over 2 weeks, the Irish people will go to the polls to vote on the Stability Fiscal Treaty. This is something that all Eurozone countries and 8 others outside the Eurozone are doing without referendum.